Hello and welcome to the Computing Department. I'm Mr. Harrison and I'm the head of the department, and I'm going to talk to you today about computer science and why you should take it as an option in Year 10. So why study computer science? Well, technology is embedded in every aspect of our lives, and computer science is helping solve many of the world's biggest problems. So from global warming to terrorism, computer science is at the forefront of solving those problems. And so if you study computer science GCSE, you can head towards a career where you can really change the world. The computer games industry is bigger than the film and music industries combined. So that's possibly another reason that appeals to you. So what skills do you need for computer science? Well, you need to be creative, because programming is a big part of the course, and it's an art. It's a skill that needs your creative flair to create interactive products with code. You need to have some logical reasoning skills. You must like solving problems through analytical thought. And it's good if you are good at maths and science, because computer science is a science that uses a lot of mathematics and links into a lot of scientific concepts. We talk about hardware and networks and algorithms and binary codes, so maths and science is quite useful. If you're good at languages, that's often a good indicator that you might be good at computer science, because language skill might help you understand computer languages as well. So what does the course cover? Well, we'll look at internal computer components. What is a computer made of? The hardware. We look at the software and how software is developed. We look at data representation. How does a computer store and process text, images, and sounds? We look at cyber security. How do you keep a computer safe from hackers? And we look at the ethical, legal, cultural, and environmental issues of technology. That's where we look at how computers may be causing problems in society, but how can you help solve those problems with technology? And there's a big chunk of the course devoted to programming, solving problems with code, creating programs or apps that solve a particular problem. And we look at networking and the internet. How does the internet work? How do computers connect and talk to each other? So that's the course. You will spend about 20 hours minimum over the 2 years, probably longer, on practical programming assignments, and you'll have to produce at least one major project. So maybe you can code a game or a revision app to help with your revision. And we will do lots and lots of programming. So if you enjoy it, this is the course for you, GCSE Computer Science. So it's the GCSE in Computer Science from OCR. It's graded 9 to 1. And its course code is J277. So how will you be assessed? There will be 2 final exams in the summer of Year 11, and each of them are an hour and a half long. So each are worth 50%. One is on computer systems. That's a mix of multiple choice, short answer and long answer, and extended response questions on hardware and how computers are built, and logic and networks and those type of subjects. And then the paper 2, which is entitled Computational Thinking, Algorithms and Programming, a similar mix of questions, but this time on problem solving and computational thinking and programming. Alongside this, there will also be lots of practical programming. So which sixth form subjects would need you to take computer science GCSE? Well, I think you can guess that if you want to study A-level computer science, I strongly recommend you do the GCSE. But computer science will also help with your understanding of maths at A-level and the sciences at A-level. But more generally, the discipline of logical thinking and algorithmic thinking that you learn in computer science GCSE is hugely valuable as a life skill that can be useful everywhere. So I do hope you consider GCSE Computer Science with me, Mr. Harrison. And I'll just leave you with this thought. Google uses this phrase to encourage people to take careers up in computer science, because you can, in computer science, you can challenge your ingenuity and solve world-changing problems with cutting-edge flair.